Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about the HLookup function in Excel. HLookup function in Excel is used for a specific value in the first row of a table or horizontal range and then return a corresponding value from a specified row in the same table. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So, here we have a table of different categories and their expenses for different months. Suppose we want to find out the utilities category's March expenses. So for that, we need to use the HLookup function. Let's type is equal to HLookup, open parenthesis. Now we are looking for March expenses, so click on March. Press comma, highlight the table, press comma. So you can see that utilities is index number 3. So we need to type here 3. Press comma. Now one is true and second is false. True for approximate match and false for exact match. We are looking for exact match, so we need to type here false. Close parenthesis and press enter. So that's how we found March expenses of utilities category. Now let's find out the April expenses of transportation category. So for that, we need to follow the same process. We need to type here is equal to HLookup, open parenthesis, click on April expenses, press comma, highlight the table, press comma, and transportation is index number 5. Now write here 5. Press comma, true for approximate match and false for exact match. So let's type false and close parenthesis, press enter. So that's how we found the transportation category April expenses. So that's how we can use the HLookup function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.